Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money with SHRTFLY. In fact, I'll be showing you payment proof of how others are making money daily using this website, and I'll be showing you how to maximize your potential earning when it comes to this link shortener. As you can see here, persons are making a lot of money daily using this link shortener, as someone has gotten paid $53 via PayPal. And as you scroll down, you can see that there are various figures that persons are getting paid daily. And you can choose to get paid via PayPal, or you can get paid cryptocurrency, as you can see here, or pay here. So there are numerous payment options you can choose from once you have signed up. And the beauty about this website also, as you can see here, their payout. For example, let's say you should get 1,000 views from Greenland, you'll be able to earn $21. And if you should get 1,000 views from United States, you'll be able to earn $9. And as you scroll down, you can see the different countries and the estimated payout that you would get if you were to get 1,000 views from that country. But I'll be showing you how to get the maximum amount available, which would be Greenland traffic, to earn $21 per 1,000 views using this link shortener. And when it comes to this link shortener, what I would recommend that you also do is sign up with their referral program, as once you refer someone to this link shortener, you'll be able to earn a lot more money, as you'll be able to get some of that person's commission every time that person earns money. Now, how will you be able to make money, and where will you get the traffic to get 1,000 views per day? Well, the place that I'm going to lead you to is Google, as in this video we'll be using Google and YouTube. The first thing I want you to go onto Google and do is type in the weight loss forums, or better yet, you can choose any niche that you want. You would simply put the niche before the forum. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the settings bar, the settings cog, better yet, in the top right hand corner, right beside your profile pic. Then you want to tap on advanced search. Once you have selected advanced search, you'll be led to this page, and from here you're going to scroll down a bit. Then you will see the option region. You're going to tap on that. And from here, you are going to scroll down until you see Greenland. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You want to scroll down, and here is Greenland. You are going to tap on that. Then tap on advanced search at the bottom. So here you can see that you are seeing the weight loss forums for Greenland. And from here, you can select any one of these forums. And you may be wondering, what are you going to post? Well, to find something to post, you'll be going to YouTube. And depending on the niche that you have chosen, for example, I chose the weight loss niche. So I did a quick YouTube search of best food to eat to lose weight at night. And you can see the different options that pop up. And I selected the one at top. So after selecting the video, you're going to watch the video, as this will make it easier for you to share the information. As what I would recommend you do, once you have selected a question that you would like to answer, you will go onto YouTube, search for that question, then you're going to find a video that you would recommend the person to watch, and you're going to watch the video, grasp some of the knowledge, then you can type out like the first 2 or 3 lines, then you would leave a link to the video for the person to click on it. Now you would simply copy the link right here. Then you're going to go back into SHRTFLY, and you would paste the link right here. And once you have pasted the link, you would tap on shortener, and you would get the shortener version, and you would simply share that link on the forum. And once person clicks on your link, you'll be able to earn money.